What is asset protection? Hi, I'm Jeff Camarda, and today I'm talking about asset protection from financial predators. Now, asset protection, which is really shielding your wealth from lawsuits and other predatory attacks, can be one of the most critical parts of a sound wealth management plan. This critical area seems to be a very high priority for the many investors, at least those we talk to, but surprisingly seems to be frequently overlooked in their financial plans when we first sit down with them. Now, whether from a lack of training or other reasons, many financial planners and advisors don't seem to focus on protecting against these dangerous risks that insurance may not cover. But without this valuable planning, circumstances beyond your control could wipe out a lifetime's worth of wealth with devastating impact on you and your family. Consider, if your investment accounts were taken from you, how would that change your retirement income, healthcare options, and wishes for your family's inheritance? Are you more at risk than you know? If you have a $500,000 or greater portfolio, you may be at more risk than you appreciate. Now, many investors aren't even told about the simplest, most inexpensive techniques to protect their wealth. Common mistakes, like the wrong type of joint account, for instance, can needlessly create huge risks and potential losses that could have been completely avoided if the investor had the right expertise from their advisor, broker, or bank. Some advisors or their employers may even shun asset protection planning to protect themselves from liability, even though it can dangerously increase your liability. Never before has technology made it so easy for predators and their attorneys to profile your wealth, target your assets, and design strategies to take what is yours. You may want to learn to protect yourself before it could be too late. If you'd like to learn more, I've written a free report that shares simple, inexpensive methods to fortify your wealth against attacks. Now, the key to effective asset protection is proactive, informed planning. Take the right steps before a threat, and strong protection can be simple, quick, and very inexpensive. But once a predator appears, the laws may make it impossible to keep them at bay, no matter how hard you try and how much you spend. The bigger your portfolio, the more you have to lose. We've seen even very wealthy families not using even the most basic protection techniques. Some techniques are so simple that you can deploy them today at no cost with a quick call to your bank or broker. Now, these protections could produce the biggest investment payoff you ever receive, and I strongly suggest you take a look to see if you're exposed and what you can do to help fix the situation. Again, my report is yours for the asking, and if you'd like it, just click on the link. We'd be happy to send it to you with my compliments. All the best. I'm Jeff Camarda.